In this sublesson, we'll see how to implement dynamic ARP inspection on Nexus switches. Dynamic ARP inspection, or DAI, is a security feature that helps protect host and other network devices from ARP cache poisoning. It verifies the ARP request and responses sent by the host connected to the switch. It checks each ARP packet for correct MAC and IP binding with regards to the binding table created by the DHCP snooping feature. Note that the binding table created by the DHCP snooping feature is being used by the IP spoof guard and also by DAI feature to protect the switch. If the check fails or if the MAC IP binding is not matching, the ARP packet is dropped. The DAI feature is enabled on a per VLAN basis. The DAI supports enabling of source MAC, destination MAC, and IP address validation. The source destination and MAC IP address of the ARP packets are validated against the snooping entries in the binding table for valid unicast IP addresses. It is also important to note that DAI works when the port is in trusted mode. To configure DAI, we first configure the command IP ARP inspection for the VLAN for which we are enabling DAI. Once configured, then we enable the interface which is facing the DHCP server with IP ARP inspection trust command. Once configured, we can validate the DAI feature is functioning fine or not using the command show IP ARP inspection statistics VLAN and the VLAN ID. In this example, you can see the ARP request forwarded or the ARP response forwarded counters are shown here, and the DHCP permits are shown as the counters of 5 packets. If there are drops, the DAI output or the show IP ARP inspection output will show drop counters incrementing. That means you're receiving unwanted traffic on the interfaces where you're performing ARP inspection.